Hey guys, happy new year. I know I'm kind of late in saying happy new year, but I'm just now picking up the camera to start vlogging again, obviously. So I know I didn't vlog or post any videos for the whole month of December, and I just figured I would just take December off because we did celebrate my birthday and obviously Christmas Eve and Christmas, and then New Year's and New Year's Eve I was just with family. So I just figured I would just not do anything and then just start fresh in January. But the reason why I haven't been able to upload any videos is because I'm having issues with my laptop again. It's not turning on, and that's where I edit my videos, so I haven't been able to edit anything. And my laptop actually just turned on like a day ago, so I figured I would try and start vlogging again, and hopefully by the time I'm done with this vlog my laptop is still on and I'm able to get this video up for you guys. But yeah guys, there has been one update so far. We are changing the floors on the house, only the downstairs, and so baby and I have actually been stuck upstairs. Yeah, we've just been watching movies, playing in his room, and yeah, not much. Another cool thing that's happening today, it's actually snowing. It looks so pretty. I actually want to take baby out to see the snow because obviously it's going to be his first time experiencing and seeing snow. And like I said, since we've been stuck upstairs, I just kind of want to take him out and just have a little bit of fun. So I'm actually going to change him right now so he could be warm, and I'll see you guys outside. Come on, Mano. Mano. Good job. Come on. Alright guys, we are back from being in the snow. As soon as we got outside, it wasn't too cold, but the more we were outside and obviously playing with the snow, it started getting colder and colder. So I just had to get baby inside. Look, you want to say hi? Yeah, you had fun? Yeah, so the floors are finally all laid down. The only thing that's missing is, I believe it's called a quarter round, which is where the wall and the floor meet to cover that little gap. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek of how it looks right now when I get home. I'm actually heading to my cousin's house because sorry, I didn't set up my camera, so I have to be holding it. Yeah, so I'm just visiting my cousin because she's been wanting me to visit her. Alright guys, so I had told you guys that I was gonna show you the floor once we got back home. Obviously this is like the next day or something, but I'm gonna show you how we completely changed the floors on our house. And I'm just gonna start in the living room and then go from there. So this is the living room. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it before. This is going into the kitchen. The whole view of the living room. We've been wanting to change them for a while now because the carpet that was in here was just not working for us. So what actually made us go ahead and change the floor was we were getting a leak in the back door when it was raining, and it was raining like back to back to back, and it was very windy. So we don't know exactly what was going on. I mean, we eventually figured it out, but the rain or the water was actually leaking through the bottom of the door, which was causing it to come inside, and the whole carpet was wet. So there was basically like a huge puddle by the back door, and eventually started coming all the way to the front of the chimney. So it started getting really bad, and then we were hesitating on whether just like tearing up that piece of the carpet and then just kind of waiting because we were not ready to do this expense, but we figured we should just go ahead and do it now. And then obviously this little area right here is where baby mainly plays. Obviously this is where we mainly are, so we figured more for him we would just go ahead and change the carpet. But we are actually so happy we did it. They still got to go and finish like where the wall meets the floor and put those little, I believe it's called quarter round. That's pretty much all they have to do, but we just went ahead and started putting the furniture just so it could start feeling homey. So changing the topic, it is 1:14 February 1st. Baby has an appointment at 2:30. He's actually napping right now, so I'm just waiting for him to wake up and we can start heading to his appointment. He just has to get one shot, and then I'm gonna return a carpet or a rug that I had gotten for the living room, but it was actually too small. We actually want something bigger, that way when baby is here too, it is more comfy for him. I just want to mention to you guys, I recently got this new by Pioneer Woman, and OMG, I already used it for the first time yesterday. It was chicken with lime recipe, and oh my gosh, the chicken was so smooth after it was done cooking in the slow cooker, and it was just so soft, and you could just literally with the fork just like tear it apart. All right guys, we made it to Burlington, which is a store where I'm returning the rug, and tell them that you just got some shots.
They don't
Yeah, say I just got 3 shots today. 3 shots. Yeah. All right, come on. Run. So for today, say, what are we doing today? All right guys, so I'm actually cooking right now and feeding baby some rice. Look, oh, now you don't want any? No, you don't want any? Look. Good job. So I'm actually making dinner right now. I'm making this recipe that my mom used to cook for us, and it's basically ground beef and potatoes, but it has like this green sauce in it, and it's so good. What? You want to be in camera? Bravo! 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 I'm about to put in the potatoes in first, and then I'm gonna add the ground beef. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. I decided to put it in a tostada. Normally I would eat it with like a bowl and a bed of rice, but I wanted to try it this way this time and with cheese on top. Hi. Good morning. Alright guys, so it is 8:30 in the morning. We're actually getting ready to go to this little kids museum that my sister-in-law found for the kids. It's about an hour away, so we're about to pack the car and head out. Alright guys, a little update on yesterday's little trip to the museum. It was such a cute museum for kids. They had like different they had like different sections with a lot of different themes. They had like a section of like an x-ray, another section was like an OB or like baby section. They had like a kitchen section, a restaurant section, what else? They had like a whole bunch of different themes for the kids to like see and touch, which was amazing because obviously at this age they just want to touch everything and just want to explore. But it was fun. It was very cute. And yeah, and today we're just singing. It's a very rainy, gloomy day, and we're just gonna stay home and maybe stay in our PJs all day. I'm in the middle of doing this little recipe, kind of breakfast recipe that I found on Instagram. It contains bananas, oats, chia seeds, which I won't be using though because I don't have any, yogurt and honey and frozen berries. So this is what I have so far. If you guys want to try this recipe, you want to make sure you put some type of oil at the bottom so it doesn't stick. I'm then adding the oats. And then you're gonna add some milk. It says to use your choice of milk, and I only have whole milk right now, so that's what we're gonna use. And I'm also gonna add some frozen strawberries. And it says to put it in for 350 degrees at 25 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, the dish is finally out of the oven and I'm about to serve it, and she tops it with some yogurt and some honey. Alright guys, so I'm just going to eat my bowl and relax for a little bit and watch This Is Us, which is an amazing show, while baby is napping. And then I do have to finish editing this video that is actually going up pretty soon. So probably once I'm done with that, then I'll finish that, and yeah.